Hello fellow outdoor people, just parked up by Noisy Road outside Grasmere, but we're going to be doing two of the Wainwrights and a wild camp. So we're going to be going to Easdale Tarn, Blea Rigg and Silver. Looking forward to this one, excited, should be fun.
I'm a bit stressed out because I can't get everything in my bag, but we'll survive, we'll work it out.
Yeah, you have got everything in your bag.
I can't shut the top bit, but
Oh,
yeah.
you can't do the zip?
No, it's because of my drink. We'll survive, we'll get there.
We might survive.
Literally, why is my bag so much
I thought you said you couldn't do it.
That, compared to yours.
Mine's nice. Have you picked mine up?
Yeah, yours is okay. Oh, mine's ridiculous. No, that's not good.
It's because you've packed the kitchen sink.
Well, I have extra stuff because I get cold at night, and I've got the dog stuff as well.
Whinge. You
should take the dog stuff.
You're ruining this.
Am I really?
Right, let's go home. There's going to be no YouTube video. Everything's shit, and I'm fed up. We're going home. Right, hope you've enjoyed this one. Bye. Jodie's still whinging about a rucksack because it's too heavy.
Yeah, but Craig kept saying to me, oh, do you want your swimming costume in case you want to swim in the tarn? And then he says, oh, I'm going to put my shorts on. So I was like, well, no, I want to wear my shorts as well, but I need my long pants for later. So, yeah, I've ended up with way more stuff, and it's this one's fault.
Well, it's your responsibility for your own rucksack, so you've got to put up with it, grin and bear it.
Yeah.
Get on with it and stop whinging. It's not that bad.
No, we'll survive.
Some of it's food and water, so as the day goes on, it'll only get a little bit lighter.
It will, definitely, because obviously I've got water for me, water for the dog. So yeah, we'll be fine. We've done worse before, carried heavier before, so yeah, all good.
As it gets towards winter, that's going to get worse as well, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely.
Because we'll have even more stuff.
Yeah.
And possibly heavier tents as well.
Yeah, we might have to look into thicker tents as well. So, yeah.
Bigger rucksacks.
Bigger rucksacks.
That's one. While we're on the subject of rucksacks, get a decent one, especially if you're carrying all this gear. Crossover. Because it does wonders for your back and really doesn't feel like you're carrying as much. We just went to go outdoors and literally tried every single rucksack until we find one that suited us. Yeah. And I'd advise that. One that's breathable as well, so it's got like a rigid piece that separates the rucksack from your back, stops you sweating as much. But we've got the Osprey.
The Osprey, Rook and Wren. Like I said, we did try lots of others. We read a lot of reviews as well. And everybody was saying the same, that these were the best ones for what we do, so yeah.
When I started, I probably had absolute huge litre rucksack. I forgot what they were. What are
95. These? Oh, these are 65, are they?
65, something like that. But yeah, I had a 95 litre rucksack and it cost about 40 quid and it was absolutely terrible. Yeah. It fit loads in, but it was the most uncomfiest thing ever. It just moved around on your back and didn't move with you, whereas these just hug your back. Brilliant.
Yeah. Best thing we've bought so far.
Yeah, what were they, about 120? 110, something like that.
Just over £100 each.
Yeah.
And don't forget as well that a lot of places you can do the, what was it called?
Price match.
The price match. So yeah, we couldn't find them both in the same place, but we price matched to go outdoors and we got them at Go Outdoors prices. So
happy days. Well, I've got a new addition from Grasmere. This, I don't know what you want to call it. What are these?
Australian hat.
Like a weird Australian hat. I'm sure there's a proper name for it, but yeah, I'm a sucker for hats. I do like a good hat and thought I'd give one of these a go. Never had one before.
It'll help with the midges.
Do we look the part?
Yeah, I like it. That's good.
We took a wrong turn. So, you shouldn't do this, but we're climbing over a barbed wire fence. You made it in one piece.
My nuts are fine.
Right. Here's a path that just leads there, you know. It wouldn't surprise me if you could just get that. Someone's walking. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if you could just get that way. Right, off we go. Trundle onwards. In front of us is 3 more wild campers going up to Easdale Tarn. So if it's a bit too crowded, which I think it might do, we may head up higher onto the actual fell itself. But we'll see. Jack's having his pre-hike dip. Soaking himself up like a sponge. Sometimes he does this and makes himself sick. Fool.
Don't drink too much.
Yeah, that's our view. I don't know if you can see, but you see like little waterfalls in the distance.
It'll be a lot faster because of the rain we've had over the last few days.
Gorgeous. But this little stream here isn't as full as it normally is because of all the dry weather we've had recently. Right, I think Jack's done.
Are we done, Jack? Should we keep going?
Let's go. You absolute bastard. Right, no help whatsoever with any future camping endeavours. For being a knob.
Don't worry, he doesn't know what I've put in his backpack yet, that's mine.
I put bricks in your backpack. And they're yours, you can keep them. Hurry up.
I'll be nice to you this time.
Oh, thank you. Feel like I've been mean now.
Good.
Come on, Jack. Stop peeing every 2 seconds. We're starting a little bit of the climb now. There she be. Start of the climb. It looks like the waterfalls that I pointed out before we may go past in a bit. We shall see. Nice if we do. I'd like to take a look at them. I presume they're flowing down from the tarn anyway. Oh, that is gorgeous. See the waterfalls. Yeah, it looks like the path goes near the waterfalls. So we shall get the drone out near there, I think. So that'll be epic. That is beautiful.
I see people coming down. Looks epic. So we've stopped so that Craig can get some fantastic drone shots of the waterfall from down here. So what's the plan with the drone, Craig?
Get epic views, cinematic shots, pop over trees, film waterfalls, and all that sort of stuff. We're at the top now, near the waterfall. That is well nice. I'd love to have a little dip in there about now. But who knows? Once we get to Easdale Tarn, we might have a little swim. How are you finding it? Heavy
Heavy rucksack. I can't wait to eat everything and drink everything so I don't have to carry it. But yeah, it looks absolutely amazing up here.
Beautiful walk. I definitely recommend it for a beginner walk.
Absolutely.
It's just gradually steep, not crazy scrambling or anything like that. And so far, a nice decent path for it as well.
Yep. Come in.
But just in front of us, it's more of the waterfalls. You'll see it in a minute. Pretty cool to be at the top of them now. Here comes a wolf. Wow, check that out. Oh, it's a beautiful pool. That is amazing. Oh, this is so good. This is very, very pretty. Oh, I need to get up and try and film that pool without falling in. There's a lot of holes in these rocks. A bit tricky when you do it one-handed. I'm guessing you probably can't hear me much. We've made it to the waterfalls. Check out the flow on that. It's been dry for ages, so if it's absolute chucking it down, that would be really fast flowing. Look at that. So we're not too sure where we're going to be camping just yet. We'll have a walk around, but we can already see at least one tent anyway. But that is one of my favourite walks up there. It's absolute gorgeous, and it's uphill, but it's easy going. I don't know how you feel about that.
Yeah, well, I'm finding it a little bit more difficult today. I feel like I'm definitely got a lot more weight on today, so but I tell you what, it's absolutely stunning. It's definitely worth it.
Yeah, it is nice, isn't it?
But yeah, it's 6 o'clock, so can have a look around and then make some decisions.
Yeah.
Yay.
Right. Let's go. We have made the decision to camp here. That's decisions because it's getting on a bit. The sun's starting to come down a little bit, so we don't know if we'll get to the top before the sun goes down. Plus we can be well rested to tackle the 2 Wainwrights tomorrow. So yeah, we shall be camping out here.
Stunning.
It is gorgeous. All you can hear is the water lapping up against the shore.
Yeah.
And seagulls, always with the seagulls. Yep, we'll be quite happy to set up here.
Yeah, we might get a drone out again. I might get my drone out this time and have a play about with my drone. I don't think I'm going to go in the water because it is a bit chillier today, but we might just have a play about with Jack and yeah, enjoy the evening.
We shall see. On today's menu I have chicken and bacon pie, got from Lidl.
And I've got a chicken and bacon sandwich which I'm already eating, I'm sorry, but yeah, I'm starving.
So we're not cooking anything posh or anything fancy like that, but I like that way we're not bringing more stuff and having to faff about. Cheers. Jodie's just gone for a wee, but we're all set up now. And this place, I'm not going to lie to you, I could film it in a way that you can't see all the other tents, but yeah, it's pretty much like a campsite. But I've just been speaking to them, they seem nice. Everyone's being responsible. There's a guy just there as well. Some guys on the far bank. I can see obviously that yellow tent there. There's a green one off in the distance. So a fair few peeps. And here comes Jack. Happy to see me. But yeah, this is definitely a popular one. And I'm not going to feel like the need to rush in the morning to get the tent packed up, because I'm guessing I'm not going to be the last one to do it. Jack's loving life, running around like a mad hatter. Have you had your piss?
I had to go a long way, there's a lot of people around.
I know, I was just saying it's like a little campsite, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
But everyone seems nice.
Oh yeah, it looks like everybody's going to enjoy themselves, and yeah.
Can't hear music blazing or out like that, no fires. Jack, out of my bag, you're not having food, ever. No food for you.
Do you think our beers are cool enough?
I'm going to wait a tiny bit longer, but yeah, it should be beer time soon.
Yeah, have you seen where I put them?
Yeah, in the water.
Cool,
Cooling down in the tarn.
Don't need a cool box.
How do you feel with this one?
Are
we
it's
happy?
Yeah. It's a little bit busier than I'm used to. I think it's going to be possibly a bit colder, because obviously,
It's definitely going to be colder because of being in the water.
Yeah.
And all the heat mountain as well.
Yeah.
All
Yeah, so it's going to be colder, it's going to be a little bit busier, but yeah, it should be good.
Yeah,
Should be good.
I'm happy with this one. It's a gorgeous place to camp.
Yeah. You can see why people come here.
Yeah, I'd like to camp here in the winter.
Winter, yeah?
Yeah. Go ice skating on the lake.
Alright, okay.
When the snow is there and the lake's frozen,
Yeah.
got all the snow on the peaks, that might make an awesome one.
Yeah.
So who knows, I may visit this place again.
We shall see.
We shall see. But we try not to go back to the same places over and over. I know we keep going back to the Norwick Quarry quite a bit.
Yeah.
But yeah, we're trying to mix it up and get the Wainwrights ticked off mainly.
Well, yeah, we've done quite a few so far.
Yeah.
So obviously there's 214 of them, so we've still got a long way to go.
We say we've done quite a few. I've done about 21, I think.
Yeah.
And you've done about a couple more than me.
Yeah, maybe about 23, 24, something like that. So yeah, not loads more than you.
But after today, we'll tick off 2 more.
2 more, yeah, exactly.
Good stuff. It's time for our ciders. Open mine with one hand.
Cheers. That wasn't even in frame, was it?
I think so. I'm going to push that dog down the cliff in a minute. Doing our tits in. As per usual.
He's trying to steal everybody's food, including ours. Terrible.
Speaking to a lad who's doing his first wild camp. Speaking to him for quite a while. He's absolutely buzzing with it. He's proper made up. Thinks he's picked the best spot ever. Which, to be fair, it's a good one for your first one.
Yeah.
I'd definitely recommend this for your first one, but what I am impressed with is the amount of people here. Don't know if I mentioned it before, I've not spotted a bit of rubbish. So all this stuff about wild campers being absolute knobheads, Nope, that's the fly campers. Totally different breed.
Definitely, yeah.
Oh, it's a little bit breezy, tiny bit cold.
Mm-hmm.
And my hat keeps getting in the way of you, look. Outshining you, get off your fuck!
But yeah, there's no noise at the minute. You know, everybody's just chilling and happy and enjoying the surroundings. So yeah, it's really cool.
There's no phone signal up there, so
Absolutely nothing.
that could be why people aren't playing loud music.
Could be, yeah.
But I think they're all respectful.
Yeah, definitely.
We'll see as the night goes on, but not one fire, not one portable barbecue, no music, no Larry loudness. Everyone just chilled out.
Yeah.
And as we've been chilled out, just sat here, like more people have turned up, and yeah, everyone's just getting on. Brill. Cheers. We've been watching the bats fly about, which has been very, very nice.
I love watching the bats. It's excellent.
We've just been swooping down by the water, picking out bugs. But yeah, we've got the lights on in the tents now, and I think it's time for bed. It's getting on a bit. Stars are out.
Yeah.
Perfect, isn't it?
Yeah. Lovely night.
Alright then, so we'll see you in the morning. Good night.
Night.
Morning people. Slept okay-ish. Kept getting up in the night for a wee. Not that you need to know that. But I've packed up. Jodie's still packing her bits and bobs up. I think she's just basically got the tent to go now. You just got the tent to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think so.
Okay. Yeah, I've been chatting to the lad across the way this morning. He started his own YouTube channel, so I'm looking forward to seeing his first ever wild camp. Be good to get it from his perspective. But we're gonna head up to the first Wainwright in a minute. Garmin's taking us an interesting way. We've got a bushwhack through all this, so who knows, could get covered in ticks. There was a clearer path earlier, but I'm thinking it bended round to the right of where we needed to be. But yep, this is definitely an interesting one. Oh shit, nearly fell. Yeah, that is very interesting. We'll persevere with it, see how we go. There's a bit of a drop to the left, darling, so just be careful. I didn't notice it because ferns are covering up. Like Jurassic Park, the raptors are going to pop out and get us. It does look like we're going through jungle, you're right. Yep. Raptors from either side. Very prehistoric. I love ferns. Oh, a bit clearer here actually. Good stuff. Yeah, there's our mountains in the background in all their glory. Surprised we didn't get attacked by midges during the night because there's loads around here. We weren't too far from here. Whew. Little bit tired coming up here. There's a tarn that we stopped at last night. It's cool watching the seagulls skim across the water this morning. They're going so close, and there's tons of little tiny fish as well.
There's some huge dragonflies.
Yeah, massive dragonflies.
There's butterflies. Beautiful.
There's just no wind whatsoever though, so any sweat that builds up on you stays there.
And we're only on 20 to 10 and it's already hot. Really hot.
Yeah, I'm glad we're not doing this in one day. We've split it up.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah. Hopefully once we get up there, there may be a tiny breeze. Some of the mountain might be blocking it now, so... And then, I've said it before, and I may be wrong, but once we're up there, it's sort of downhill. sort of downhill, we shall
this
say.
This route that we're looking at, I think we're going to be not too long off the top, really, to be fair.
No.
But I can see those guys over there that are doing the really steep route. That's going to be a while, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Yep. There's our route. And I can see 4 people coming down, and then there's one above them as well. Right, let's carry on. Nearly at the top now, but we just met a guy that's in about his 80s, and he's done the Wainwrights 2 times and is now going for his third time.
Yeah.
So to do all the Wainwrights on your 3rd time in your 80s, absolutely brilliant.
Incredible. And he was quite quick as well, but I suppose he's not carrying the weight that we're carrying.
Excuses, he's in his 80s. He's there with his paper maps and everything in plastic wallets. Good on him.
Good on him, absolutely.
Yeah, but he's travelled all around the world doing hiking, mostly in the Americas, but yeah.
Yeah, it was really nice to speak to him for a few minutes and just have a little break.
But yeah, spin round. Not too far off the top. Hopefully it's not a false summit and there's more to go. We have made it. Jodie's just next to Blea Rigg. You've not touched it yet. Go on.
Yeah.
Go and touch it. Proof.
Right, go around the outside.
This is Blea Rigg. Wasn't a bad one to get up to. Definitely beginner friendly. There we go. Let's get up there and get more of the views. But in the background you can see Pavey Ark. See if we can zoom in on it. So that was one of the other ones that we did, Pavey Ark in the background. We were thinking about doing Sergeant Man, but I think it's going to be a bit too much with the rucksacks for today, and it's Sunday, so I'd like to get home and spend a bit of the weekend relaxing. I need to touch it as well, otherwise I've not done it. Ah, oh Jesus. And there we go. Done and dusted. Another one of the Wainwrights ticked off our list. Yeah, stunning views as always. Lake District never lets you down. Well, saying that, I've never came when it's all claggy yet. When there's no views, I can imagine that's quite miserable to climb up a mountain and not get any views out of it.
I've done that a few times.
Have you?
It's not an achievement, but yeah, I've done it a few times.
It's nice to see what's around you though.
And I even tried for a sunrise and it was absolutely horrendous as well, couldn't see a thing. So that was a bit gutting.
Yeah.
Up at 3 o'clock in the morning. And then, yeah.
Not getting out.
Not getting a sunrise.
just about see the tarn in the distance that we stopped at. Just peeking over those rocks. Right, we think we can see Silver How in the distance now. Not long, we will be there. We have made it. We're at Silver How, and you can see just about in the background, at the bottom of the valley, there's Rydal Caves, where we visited. Was it last week?
Yeah.
No, the week before that.
Before last,
yeah.
when we did Rydal Cave and Blea Rigg Fell. So yeah, you can see them right behind us. And yeah, we're heading back down into Grasmere Village.
Well, this is what I've noticed, is the more that we do, the more we're starting to recognise now. I always used to find it strange when you'd be speaking to people and they'd be pointing in the distance and they'd be like, there's Pavey Ark, there's Silver How, there's this, and you're like, how do you know all this? Or when you get out there doing it, you start recognising things. So as we tick off more and more Wainwrights, we'll start joining up the dots. But there she be, Silver How. And like I said, if I go down here from Silver How, should be able to see a little bit of where Rydal Caves is. So it is down there somewhere. Shame you can't see it directly from here. You may be able to once we go over the edge. Tell you what, I'll take you there just in case. Just in case we can see it. Have a trundle. Probably do this for nothing now, but who knows. No, can't exactly see it from here. It should be that little peak there. Should be Rydal Caves. But we are done for the video, so I'm going to pack up all the camera gear, the drone and everything, and just enjoy the walk down without doing any more filming now. Hope you've enjoyed it, and we'll see you on the next one.